proof that this is my trigger finger, because my friend doesn't believe me. You know, do not kill my Galaxy. Alright, so I'm gonna have some proof right here. Hold on, let me move this stuff out the way. Crap. Alright. Oh. I'm going to set the camera right here. Oh my god. Alright. I'm going to set it right here. Alright, whatever. Alright, so I think you can see this. Alright. You can see my mod's not on. And let's do this again. Wait, oh crap. Oh my god. So there you go.